Hi guys, this is Miss Hart-Townsley. Over the last couple of days, I've had a few questions on how to submit an assignment via Evernote. Okay, so at this point, a large majority of us have already signed up for our free account. You've actually shared your notebook with me. If you still need to do so, please watch that video tutorial that's linked to the digital notebook assignment. Okay, but let's assume that you've already signed in. That you've already shared your notebook, and so all you have to do is sign in. Remember that you're going to use the email address that you registered with, and so I'm going to go ahead and put my email in there at usd385.org. Put my password. If you're working on your own computer, I would definitely have it remember your passwords. There's no reason not to. And so then we're going to open up the web version of Evernote. Notice how over here I have probably a lot more notebooks and notes than you do. Okay, but I went ahead and clicked on Notebook right here to show my notebooks, and then I'm just going to pick a student's notebook, and we'll just start with the first one here. And I can see that she has one note already. All right, so let's pretend that this is the assignment that she needs to submit. Okay, and so I'm going to just go back here. It looks like 104 is one of the notes, one of the assignments we have to submit a note. It says to copy the URL of your note that you created and submit it here. Okay, so copying the URL. What we have to do is get the specific note URL. Okay, so we're going into Evernote. I'm going to go over here. Here's my note. It's titled Module 1, Body Structure and Organization. And then I go to Share. Right? I'm going to click on the link because that's what I want, the URL to this specific note. So I click on it. It's going to tell me that anyone with this URL can now read the note. So I push copy. And then it gives me the information, or it tells me, yes, it's been copied to the clipboard. Okay, now I'm in go back to the activity. I go to the Dropbox, and I can go into the web address field right here, and I'm going to then just paste it under the web address. All right, you can leave me comments on if you need to, any special information for that assignment. But otherwise, just copy and paste the web address and then click submit. Notice how, since I'm not enrolled as a student, I'm not going to be able to submit, but you can right here. Once you do that, I will be able to not only get a hold of your note, I'll be able to grade it in GradPoint and view it in your notebook. All right. I hope that's helpful. If you have any other questions, please let me know.